2025 has been off to a crazy busy start. I've already visited 3 countries and I'm on my way to the 4th to meet up with Akinyemi in Japan. For the last week, I've been in Malaysia shooting a documentary that I'm super excited to share more once I have more details. And the past 12 hours, I had a long layover in Bangkok, Thailand, where I tried to eat and explore as much as I could in my limited amount of time. Now I'm on my way to Japan and going to meet Akinyemi in Tokyo.
Since Kaylee took the last minute job in Malaysia, Mocha and I have been holding down the fort for the past week. I'm headed to the airport right now and I'm really excited to reconnect with Kaylee in Japan.
It's my airport fit.
This is my first time flying Zip Air, which is a great budget option if you want to save some money on your flight. Do be aware that they're pretty strict on luggage weight and it can be challenging to change your flight, so make sure you're pretty set on your dates.
While he was on his flight, my long layover in Bangkok was coming to an end, so I hopped on my flight to Tokyo, where we'll stay for about a day or two before we head over to Fukuoka and explore up the west coast of Japan to some new cities and small towns that we didn't have a chance to explore the last time we were in Japan. I'm super excited to be back in Japan and to explore my motherland and take you guys along with us. I'm half Japanese and I have some relatives throughout Japan, and we also have some friends here as well. So they're gonna help us show you guys around to some of our favorite places and explore some new places as well. Yeah, let's get that one. Just landed in Nihon.
Nihon here.
And of course, first stop, Family Mart. Gotta get a little bite to eat. There's one like 4-minute walk down the road from where we're staying. First morning in Tokyo, and we're starting with a nice morning jog. We love running around a new city and just exploring that way. because you get to see the city before most people wake up, especially in a place like Japan. A lot of businesses open closer to 11. So it was really quiet and a nice way to explore this neighborhood that we were staying in. And of course, we had to finish our jog with a run to the kombini to pick up some breakfast items.
Individually wrapped bananas.
I also picked up some masks, and after our run, we showered, changed, and got ready for our day.
Full day in Japan. We got in late last night, and well, we got in the afternoon, but we took a while to get a Wi-Fi, pocket Wi-Fi, food, bus from Narita. We were just exhausted, so.
This was my first time flying into Narita. It was like, Haneda is like so much more smooth. It's closer to the city.
It's so much closer, so
Yeah.
definitely recommend Haneda, but
Yeah.
Narita has a lot of shopping and food as well. We woke up early, went for a 2-mile jog, got to see the neighborhood.
Yeah.
We ran through this park earlier today, and it was really beautiful. It was really calm. A lot of dogs and a lot of runners, but we're about to head to a coffee shop to get some work done, and we stopped at this really cute onigiri shop on the way. Okay. So, I don't know which one's which now. This one might be yuzu kosho.
Okay.
So, this one is miso yuzu kosho, and this one I think is shio saba, so mackerel.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right. Hello. Cheers.
Yeah, I think it's cheers.
What does yours taste like?
Good fish.
Word. It's really good.
Can I try it?
Yeah. Yeah, I feel mad relaxed. Like, mad peaceful. And I was like, I think when you were setting this up, I sat down and I was like, this could be our life. You know what I mean? It's like here with mocha.
Mocha would love it.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's been two years since we've been here, but feels really good to be back.
Not too far away from the park was Tokyo Coffee Lab, which popped up on my maps and looked like a really good coffee shop. smelled so good with the baked goods in the oven, and I saw him pull out 3 freshly baked canneles, so we had to order one because these have been some of our favorite desserts ever since Etsuko baked them for us in Boston. So we had them fresh out of the oven and they paired so perfectly with our pour over coffees. The coffees tasted really great, so we wanted to bring home some beans with us as well.
After Tokyo Coffee Lab, we walked over to Nakameguro to have my first ever studio session in Japan with producer and multi-instrumentalist Zuma.
Welcome back to Japan.
Yay!
We finished a song that we started 2 years ago that I'm gonna release soon, but we ended up even starting and almost completing another song. Overall, super productive, and I love working with him, and I could see us continue to work for a long time in the future. Stay tuned to the end of the video for a sneak peek and preview of the song we made.
We're going to be traveling all around Japan and going where the wind takes us. We are kind of choosing a location and just letting ourselves explore and have a good time without a super rigid itinerary. First up, we're headed to Fukuoka for a few days. Then we're gonna head up the coast to the Art Islands, Naoshima and Teshima. From there, we're gonna do a quick stopover in Okayama, then stop through Kobe on our way to Osaka, spend a few more days in Kyoto, and then finish it all out with a week in Tokyo. Honestly, 3 weeks just doesn't seem long enough, but you know, we're hoping to come back more often and just be able to experience this more like locals versus tourists, and just be able to take our time in places versus feeling like we have to check off every box on a list. So if you're like us and just want to really experience a place, I think you're really going to enjoy where we're going, and maybe you'll want to bookmark some of these places for your trip to Japan.
We're on the plane to Fukuoka, flying Star Flyer, which is kind of like the budget airline of ANA. Haneda was such a smooth airport. We also have priority pass, so we're able to go to one of the lounges. But yeah, we're super excited to explore. We kind of have no plan and are just going to go where the wind takes us. Hopefully eat some really good food, drink some really good coffee, and maybe do a little shopping. So
I'm hyped for my first time to go to Fukuoka, and honestly my first ever domestic flight. Super smooth, and just excited to explore different parts of Japan
Yeah, I'm excited to, explore the coffee scene, possibly get some ramen, and just see what this part of the country has to offer.
Oh, nice. Wash your dryer. On our way to get some ramen.
Finally, blessings surrounding me. Why can't you be proud of me? I ain't welcome here, so I gotta leave. I'm saying bye for peace.